Well, in this video I will show you how to fix a false note from the MIDI. In this song sounds like there is a false note around here. Here, did you hear it? Well, minute 47 more or less, 44 actually, so maybe this false is, I'm not sure which track, maybe many tracks have the same false. So I open it with Anvil and I go to 1 minute 45 more or less. I can adjust the zoom so I can see more lines, I can see all the charts. I can check again. I can maybe listen track by track to discover which track has falses, but actually here this MIDI is totally fucked up. I can see weird parts. All this shit sounds wrong. So fuck it, all this MIDI, these things are weird, I never saw it before. Maybe this part is not wrong, but this is wrong for sure. Okay, I always hear the same note being false. So, let's go there. First I will remove this shit here in 58 seconds. So, first track, acoustic grand piano. So I go to View, Mixer, find the track that I want to fix. In this MIDI, these are weird. I never saw these symbols, these weird symbols. Someone did something weird in this MIDI, but anyway, I could find a better MIDI to work on, but you know, I will fix this shit. It's 58, alright. So I go to 58. It's the first track, it is acoustic grand piano. So I go back to View, and now that I select the track here, I can go to Piano Editor, adjust the zoom, and I find the shit. It's probably this shit here. Yeah, probably I can hear the fucking shit. Is this for sure? So I delete. I click and delete it, but you know, if there are in this same track another parts with the same problem, I can right click here and change the volume or pitch, and I can delete all notes of the same pitch. So you didn't see any deletion here because I was already deleted manually, but if more to the front, you know, it had any false note like that, it is already deleted, so you will not see it. Well, where else there are false notes in this track? Let's see. This is wrong. 1 minute 45, but I think I deleted automatically when I select the option to delete all notes of same pitch. It was here and it is deleted. There is no more. So, and how about this? Is it wrong too? No, maybe this is not wrong. So, well, looks like this track is fixed if it's only this. So I can check another track. Well, no falses so far, only the first track. Well, if the problem was only that, it was the easiest fix that I ever did in my life. I thought it would be much harder. No more false notes, I think, so it's okay. Alright. I don't need even to hear it because looks like the song is good now. So okay, this is it. Hope you learned how to remove false notes. I will save this file as with the name that I will use to make the ABCs for load through. So if I use the right name, it will be already good when I make the ABCs for all instruments that I want to use. So this is the right way to use and Maestro, so it's save it. And here is the new MIDI with the perfect name because I fixed the name. And let's hear. You remember here there were problems in here and the song was a shit, but now the song sounds good.